When baking, you might need a substitute for eggs. For a vegan, this is quite obvious. But for non-vegans, why would you need to substitute an egg? Well, let me paint you a picture. You are making your favorite chocolate chip cookie recipe, but the person you're making them for is a vegan.
Oh no!
And it calls for eggs. What are you gonna do? Don't you worry. I did my research and I found 3 products that can substitute an egg. And today, we're gonna test them out to see if they really work. And we are gonna make some cookies. Let's get to it. We've got banana, applesauce, flaxseed, and egg. We're gonna roll them up and throw them in the oven and see what happens next. So the cookies are finally ready. I tried them all and the banana kind of tasted like banana, so if you're into it, you're into it. But if you're not into it, then wouldn't be my first choice. The applesauce made the cookie a little bit more moist, and to be honest, probably was my favorite. The flaxseed, a little bit on the drier side, and the chicken egg, a little bit more on the drier side. But overall, they all worked, so you can use them all if you ever need to substitute an egg. And that is all for today. Make sure to like, subscribe, and comment because you know I love hearing from y'all. And I'll see you next time.